Yeah, just hold your basket. Good job.
Abby, what do you got? Abby, what's in your basket? They're over there? Let's go get them. Do you see it?
There's not one over there. That's a leaf.
Ew.
No, just a leaf.
Where'd it go?
Where'd it go?
Oh, keep looking.
Here or there?
Maybe. I don't know. You tell me. Go
Go
look.
get it.
Blue.
It's blue.
There you go.
Yeah. Show me. Watch your head. Show Mama what you got. Wow, a blue egg. Put it in your basket. Yay.
Maybe over here. I don't know. Keep looking.
Keep looking.
Keep going.
Abby.
She's stuck.
Abby, look on the slide. Let's see.
No,
Not yet. You gotta find them. Look, there's more.
Maybe. Maybe there. I don't know.
Look on the. Do you see it? Oh
I was
no!
waiting for that to happen. It's alright.
Daddy will get them.